Hi, welcome back to Ensign Equipment. I'm Andrew Hartline, sales manager here, and I've got another application spotlight to go over with you today about the lift and dump machines you see right behind me, so let's get into it. This lift and dump, actually let's take a step back, right? Lift and dumps, the purpose, what are they needed for? These machines are often utilized in discharging drums, gaylords, larger vessels into downstream machinery that's at a very elevated height, right? So we provide oftentimes lift and dumps that can reach 10, 12, 14 plus feet up in the air. A lot of times discharging into bale breakers, shredders, big horizontal blenders. So that's what these machines are utilized for. And we have another application where we're going to be feeding a downstream shredding solution. So this is a plastics recycler. We're going to be discharging in gaylords of PET, purging and other of the scrap that they've reclaimed from their process into their existing downstream size reduction system. So these lift and dumps are going to be side by side feeding two different lines. The uniqueness about this one, though, that we really want to highlight is the integration of the scale platform assembly that's underneath it. So a paramount thing that they wanted to track and manage was how much material are we putting in the system, because they wanted to see, well, how much yield are we getting? If we know we put so much in and we know we're getting so much out, we can understand the yield we're getting from our recycling line and maybe what's not getting reprocessed. So they wanted to document that information. So we designed a load cell table underneath the bucket, and we automated the cycle to be able to lower down on that scale system, let the scale indicator give the operator a readout for about 5 seconds, which they could document in, and then our automation went up and lifted the container into and discharged the contents into the downstream shredder. So I'll give a quick demonstration of just that portion of the cycle here. So hit safety reset, cycle start. We're going to see the scale platform. The bucket floor is actually floating. It comes down onto the load cell table for about 5 seconds. You'll see on the other side of me right here, the scale head will change its weight indication, and then the cycle will start up. So let me stop it here real quick so we don't get too far ahead of ourselves. And I'll hit the reset, and we'll bring this back down to the home position as if we were resetting the system to do another cycle. Now, as you can see, these lift and dumps come with a lot of guarding around them. We've got guarding on both the side. We've got a light screen guard in the front to protect operators from being near the motion of the dumper during the cycle. We also have mechanical guarding on the back side. So safety was a paramount thing that this customer was very interested in making sure they met. In fact, they had certain safety category requirements. So not only is this machine come with some of our standard safety package items, but we also customized it to meet their certain safety category requirements. And in addition to that, supplied them with a risk assessment with Sistema according to ISO 13849 and ANSI B11, which was verifying that we met a safety category 3. So if in your instance you need to meet those safety requirements, we'd be happy to work with you on designing the correct safety system around our machinery. The other thing that we did, if you come closer here, is this customer was very specific on their PLC. So inside you can see this system comes with a Siemens PLC. Typically we're often programming in Unitronics or an Allen Bradley, but we're happily able to oblige in customers that specify Siemens or Schneider or any other manufacturer so that it meets your in-house standards. So I think what's probably everybody's wanting right now is I want to see the whole system cycle all at once. So without further ado, I'll hit the reset button just again one more time, hit cycle start, and we'll see you run. Well, I hope this video has been informative for you. If you did find it informational, please like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to talk with you, so if you've got an application, don't hesitate to reach out. Otherwise, we'll catch you on the next one.